To use SupplyBoss on an iPhone, you will need to download Alpha Launch. Go to the Apple App Store and click Search. Type in Alpha Launch and search. You will see Alpha Launch as a business app. Click the cloud to download it to your local device. Once it's downloaded, click Open. Where it says please install one or more apps to run, click Show List. And then click Specify URL. In the bottom right, you will see Scan. Click Scan. Your phone will ask permission to use the camera. Click OK. When you do that, find the QR code in the program with either using the Help or the Phone app menu in EMS SupplyBoss. Once you've done that, hit the left arrow in the upper left of the screen. Click OK and click Install. At this point, the program will be downloaded to your local device. The files will be extracted and you can click OK. At that point, you have SupplyBoss installed on your iPhone. Thank you.